can just get them up as high as you can, get them as level as you can, and then this will make up the difference because you can level this plate too. There we go. For each other. This is going to give us our ride height. To adjust this plate up to be the same height as it. So we just take this, run it across here. Get these setting firmly and send you your tire, your highest point on your tire. And you bring this bracket and basically just make it level with those two before. See the level mark? And then just snug these bolts up when you get it level. Okay. And you got to make sure that the bracket is level this way also. So just tap that up. That should be level that way. And level that way. Between the level and the fender. Okay. And you'll do the same thing on the back. About a 1/4 inch. This back's got to come back just a little bit, but and that'll give you what you need. Okay.
Take a black marker and mark the outside edge of the bracket so you know where, when you go to put it back on, where to put it. So then I just take the marker and mark the outside edge, and I mark the top so I know the height too. Okay. Then I take a scribe, which I just bent a screwdriver,
Okay.
made a point on it, and I scribed the holes on the inside of the fender. So there's slots in the bracket. Describe the slots. So in order for my fender to be where it was when I checked it, I just move it right into that line, and then your fender's where it's at. You don't have to spend more time checking it. And we put them on 3 power. There's the line. Make sure you're lined up with your bracket, and then you put your clamp on.